breaking the zones from the higher time frame in the downtrend. That is the strong signal for multiple entries from the lower time frame. Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, we are going to show you how can you enter from the lower time frame with the signal from the breakout from the higher time frame. That sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and we see you in a minute on our today's video. Okay, breakout in the downtrend is when the price is moving down and we consolidate by avoiding the market from breaking the low. So then when we break the low or the areas which has been rejected multiple times from breaking below, that is a breakout, okay, which means that we be rejecting from breaking these areas and we reject from the low multiple times. So then when we break below this zone, which means that we broke out of this rejection or this consolidation. So that is a breakout. So from what we are going to be looking for right now is that the breakout of the zones from the higher time frame in the downtrend continuation. So now what are we looking at? We are going to be looking on the market will be rejecting from this area multiple times from the higher time frame. Remember that. So when we break below this area, we are going to be focusing on entries from the lower time frame to take a sell by expecting the market to continue in the downside. That's what we are going to be looking at. So as long as we are going to be staying below this zone, we are going to be just only taking a sell from the entries of the lower time frame. So we are going to be expecting the market to keep moving down if we stay, remember, below this stronger zone. Okay, so let's move to the chart and see what we are going to be looking for to take those opportunities. Okay, now here we have gold from the daily time frame. So now the market is moving down. Also, we are from the areas of the chart pattern. This is a head and shoulder. We are in the areas of the trend continuation to the downside. Okay, so what are we going to be looking at from the lower time frame? This is an area we are rejecting multiple times, but now we broke below this low, which was stronger. So now we are going to be looking for the entries from this area to continue in the downside. So what we are looking at is that we are going to look for the confirmation from the lower time frame H4 and H1. So let's move to the lower time frame and see what we are going to be and see where we are going to be entering from. So if we get an opportunity of the lower time frame entries, we are going to be targeting from these areas. Okay, so as long as we enter from this area, we are going to keep entering for sale to target this area. Okay, this is what we are going to be looking for. We are going to be looking for a retracement from this area. Then after that, we are just going to be taking a sell from these areas by targeting this zone. Okay, as long as we are staying below this zone, we are going to be taking a sell from there. So let's see what the market is going to give us from there so that we can keep moving down. What happened? We are rejecting from that area. So now we started making low from this area, from the order blocks. Okay, let's see if we can keep moving down. Okay, rejecting from this area again, double tops. Okay, so now we are looking for the entries from these areas and even from these inside areas. Okay, so that's where we are going to be looking for sell from. Okay, we broke below this area. Let's see what happened. Okay, we got this candle, which is a rejection from this area. If we get a bearish candle, we are going to be entering for sell. Okay, we got a bearish engulfing. So now, as long as we are strong enough of not breaking above this area, we are going to be entering for sell position. The stop loss will be above the previous high. Our target, this is a trend continuation from the higher time frame, will be from this area. So now we are expecting the market to continue moving down. So now also, if the market pulls back again and touch from this area, we are going to be just looking for selling entries. Okay, so even the trend continuation, remember, we are waiting to enter even from these areas. Let's see what happened. Now we are still moving down. Rejection. Okay, let's see what happened. This is an entry also from this area. Okay, this is an entry. Enter for sell, stop loss still above this area. Remember, from the lower time frame, this looks like a reversal. Okay, so bearish reversal. That's why when you get these zones from the higher time frame, this is your opportunity to be looking for just only selling entries from the lower time frame. Okay, let's see now what happened if the market will keep moving down. We are still moving down. Even this was an entry. Let's see what happened. We are rejecting from the low. Okay, now we come back to this area where we moved from. So now we had this entry from this area. Can we get a rejection with the candles? I will take a sell from this area. Also, again, this one has been activated. Let's see what happened from this area. Can we reject from there? So now we are rejecting from this area. So if we are looking for more confirmation, we need the market to pull back and then we enter from this area. Okay, now we got this candlestick. We are looking for the bearish one. Okay, so now we got a bearish candle. So now we are going to be entering for sell because this area is stronger. Selling entry from this area by anticipating the market to continue moving down. Okay, so let's see what happened. We are moving down. Even this is a supply zone. To look at, if we make a high, we are going to be even looking for sell from this area. Okay, let's see what happened. We are still moving down. So now let's see what the market is gonna give us if we can get to our target. Okay, moving down. So okay, now then we go to our target. So that's how we trade from the uptrend, by expecting the market to continue in the same direction with the confirmation of breaking below the stronger zones from the higher time frame. So okay, in general, this was a breakout and retest from the previous strong area to continue in the downside. Okay, this was just an entry to enter from the high so that we got more opportunities with selling entry position from the lower time frame. Okay, guys, again, remember, if you want to be consistency in the market, if you want to use this strategy, you have to backtest. If you backtest, you are going to be getting the confidence to be entering the market. Remember, guys, every strategy that we bring here is not just for you to take it immediately and apply it on your real account. You have to backtest it first, and then after backtesting, you will get confident to be using it on your real account. Okay guys, again, thank you so much for your time. Remember to subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and we see you next time. Take care and be safe.